Sasigqibele ukuthi xa kufika ama-Hawks, amapolisa, ndithetha nge-men and women in blue, arhoxe. Hayi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi usibuyisile isithunzi samapolisa. Masilungiseni laa mcimbi kaGeneral Sinona. Mos besithethe based on what we knew ibithethwe nguGeneral Sinona. Hayi ke, i-spokesperson samapolisa sesabuya nengxelo. Ithi lento uGeneral Sinona ukuze abe uyakuthiwa uyagxothwa eofisini. uGeneral Sinona ufikile ke eofisini Saturday. Yapha kuma-Hawks. Hayi xa ema-ofisini wabo xa kefika ke wafika wapaka imoto yakhe ngapha komgwaqo. Phofu umthetho wabo uthi xa kuzi-weekends umuntu kumele angene ngemoto yakhe. I think na ukuthi kwazi into yoba ngubani ungenile ngubani uphumile ngama-weekend because akekho wonke umuntu obakhona. So ngoku ufike wamisa imoto ngapha komgwaqo ingathi ke bekhona nenye icolleague yakhe naye ibihamba ngemoto yakhe. From up ngathi waphuma emotweni yakhe wangena kule moto yecolleague bake bayichitha nje into epha ku-45 minutes bencokola ke bekhokhasa lonto bebekhokhasa. Xa besuka khona baza ngenyawo bawela umgwaqo bazongena ofisini. Xa bengena ofisini kunemithetho kuzo zonke futhi offices majority in fact ezika government uyasayina uthi bungani uzwe kubani uba usebenzi khona kuzazi umuntu ozokulanda ubusebenza khona nje uyasayina uxoka ini yonke lonto le. So kwe-offices zabo kukhona nento ngathi biometric either uskena andikhosho noma ngumnwe na ukhona yomnwe but yobuso ikhona ndiyibonile then it's more of register then ungene ngaphakathi. So ufikile ke xa kefika wafika wangena yena wangasayini. Kwalandela isecretary yakhe yasayina. Kwalandela necolleague yakhe uGeneral Sinona nayo yangasayini. Security ngoba umthetho ziyawazi zathatha ifone zayihlaba umkholongwane kuGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Bayibo General naku kwenzeka. Sokwenzeka 1 2 3. uGeneral wathi sekeqambile upheke ofisini ke ngoku. Wathi nje ndicela niye kuye nindiyele kuye ofisini. Liyombuza ba uzokwenzani le menza into ba maka because yaqoqisa lento yakhe akayenzayo especially phansi komuntu oseke under uphenya. Hayi ke wahamba wayengathi ke baye kwabakhona i-misunderstanding apho bangavani bangathini kulapho ke ngoku uGeneral ethe nje ucele yoba makasithini makathi 8 engathi 8 bemgxotha because akareport kuye nje athi nje 8 ezofisini. Singalibali umnikazi weprovince wona in terms of amapolisa nguGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Hayi ke wathi nje makathi 8 nje ngeko-office xa keqhubile wathatha ifoni wayihlaba kuboss wakhe uacting wakwa-Hawks uacting head wakwa-Hawks uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi esenzela into bezi-backup kungazuthiwa wenze wathi asekune breach of security umuntu wakho akayenzile apha u1 no2 and because akafuni ukulandela umthetho sesimfakele uphuma phele apho but ke kwasubuya suspend wasubuya thini into nje ngathi njalo abayithethe nantoni ingathi seyithethwe ne boss yakhe uGeneral Sinona. Hayi ke uGeneral Sinona ingathi xa sekephuma ke ngoba sekefuna ukuphuma bathi xa beyisebenza bathi computer but xa bethi computer ndikhosho noba sithetha ngecomputer your desktop okanye i-laptop na but khona bese kefuna ukuphuma nayo ke i-device ini kwatha kanti yona shiya phansi document intoni shiya phansi wabe uyaphuma uyangala wambe ngakhiyanga uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to safeguard himself nakhona bangazuthiwa baye benzani bathathele ofisini abathathangani wathatha ifoni lapha ehlabe khona kuboss yakhona into yoba sokwenzeke so ingathi yakhona ukuthi thumela umuntu azothatha isikhiya sakho. So in terms of ama-credentials wakhe ukungena uGeneral Sinona nani isesekhona. So that's the story about uGeneral Sinona ke. Ukuthi uyosaba sokuvakala into yoba uyosaba usaba uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngapha khona amahimimi usaba ama-big 5. I'm like awapha ama-big 5 andiqonda yena ngathi usaba ama-big 5 because kulanto amlamadlanga uthe awekho ama-big 5 akawaziyo ngikekana wendlovu zindlovu zingonyama zinto liwazileyo. So nje ndathi andiqondi into yoba kutsho yena inoba njengamahimimi ngoba according to yena ama-big 5 awa exist. So nje ikhona into engathi nje unoloyiko lwempilo yakhe. Siphumeni kuGeneral Sinona sibuye hayi ngilibele ukunibalisela ayibeke mhlu uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi last week Monday 26 phuma napho sibuye kule eka General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi sekethe remember last year kukhona into i-investigation babefumenzela zona iyelenqa babefuna umenzela lona investigator bemphenya iphenywa ngama IPD yakhona yathi xa ibuzwa for i-corruption yathi xa ibuzwa yathi i-instructwe nguminister Senzo Mchunu jikijiki phethu haya kusenguminister Senzo Mchunu so uyi-anonymous lonto leyo wathi bathe xa beyibona ingathi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi bring it on kubona into engathi njalo hayi bayirhoxisa waze wafuma bafumana neleta ethi baya-withdrawa loo nto leyo. Hayi ke ngokuvuke yena uthi abakwazi into yoba bazomane bendigrogrisa kuthiwe ndiya-investigeyitha namhlanje kusasa kuyarhoxiswa ndifuna ukwazi into yoba babendi-investigeyithelani, barhoxiselwani loo investigation, olo phenyo lwabo larhoxiselwani. So ikhona nje into engathi njalo nje uthi nje bring it on boys. So that's just about it when it comes to umcimbi kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, into yoba hey usibuyisile isithunzi, in as much as enye nje le nto yenziwe nguGeneral Sinona iswise duxu phantsi isithunzi sama-Hawks. Hayi sithe bhuxu madoda bezithi xa zifika ezazinto sezihamba ngamagolf zilandelana noba ziyi-3. Hayi ndiqonda uba ukhona undonakele, and xa befika kuloo ndawo hayi azaceza amapolisa. Lo man ndena ngama-Men in Blue, hayi not anymore, kuceza bona ngoku kushaya isiginci se-Men in Blue.
Did not sign. Now had and still has every right to enter this building because he has got credentials to enter the building. He can either enter this building with his vehicle registered to enter here through the vehicle entrance and go and park as it parking at parking level 1, or he can come through this entrance here and sign the register, use his fingerprints of face recognition and get in. He has got that right. Still has that right. He can come now here and go through. Nothing has changed.
So the main issue that you have is that he's broken the security protocols in terms, as you were saying, Colonel, of not going inside and not. Did the officers who engaged, the security officers who engaged with him on the instruction of Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, did they get a response to him as to why he chose to not sign in?
What led to this was the unusual activities on the day. A senior officer of his caliber will come into this building, enter with his vehicle, go and park in his parking and go to his office and do his work. No questions. But him coming, parking across the street, that was unusual. Parking for a long time with another colonel, leaving his car and getting in his car, sit inside his car. They had what looked like a meeting outside the offices, inside the vehicle, and later on come to the building, entered the building himself with his secretary. He chose not to sign but went through his office. Secretary signs, she followed. The other colonel they were with, who also came in, did not sign but went through. Those raised questions that we don't usually see him over the weekends. If he does, he goes through the entrance with his vehicle. That's unusual. Not signing here is a bit of protocol because we must know who entered here at what time and for what. That's why you give reasons why you are getting into the building. And officers who were sent to him were to ask what was he doing in the office. And he chose to leave, wanted to leave with the gadgets. That's when he said, no, you are choosing to leave. You can leave, but you leave the gadgets behind.
Do you suspect any nefarious plans that he might have been coming in to remove, as you're saying that there was a computer or certain documents that had appeared that he wanted to then remove from the building? Do you believe that he might have come in to remove certain things that he should not have removed?
We don't have suspicion that he could have been here for any ulterior motive. But the events leading to him coming in gave us an idea that somebody who a few days ago admitted to having sent police documents to a private individual from his cell phone. What more can he do if he's using computers? We don't know what was in those gadgets that he wanted to take with and the documents he wanted to take with. So because our job is to prevent crime from happening, if you have information that this could happen, why not stop it?